Oh, that was, I've never heard anything so funny. Oh, that was great. Okay, good. All right, I think I got two more examples of this zero product property. And when I say two, I mean three. All right. We got 3x plus 1. Bless you. So would it be best if I take this times this and hope it equals that? Would that be easy? No, it's way easier if it says equals to what? 0. Would you please all FOIL this right now? Would you please all FOIL this right now? Distributive property. So do some foiling, distributing. Other than not wanting to make a mistake, for people at your level that is not difficult. First, outside, inside, last. Cool. It's way easier if I have it say, oh, do I have a question? Daniel, do I have a question? Or are you good? Okay. Way easier if this says equals what? Equals 0. So what I'm going to do first of all is combine some terms. So I've got here 3x plus 17. That's certainly not 0. And combine like terms here. Negative 2 and 1 is negative 2x minus 3. And I want it to say equals 0. I'm going to take away 3x, and on the same step, because we're in algebra 3, I'm going to take away 17. So on the same step, I'm taking away 3x and 17. Bless you. Do we all know how to factor that and then take the zero product property? We hope so. If not, you know who you can ask? You can ask me or the kid next to you. You could do either of that, assuming that. Factor zero product property to finish. So that is not finished. I'm just doing this to I'll believe I'm down to 2. 2 left. Hey, that says equals 0. That's good news. That's good news because that makes it easier. Gives you 2 possibilities instead of infinite. So that's better. We really do want to factor it first, though. Want to factor it first. There's a number in common, and if it's negative, we like to take that negative out. So I'm taking a negative 2 out, negative in there. And 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. Bring that negative 2 along. Forget about it. Square minus a square. Oh, you're good at that already. Square minus a square. X plus 2, x minus 2 equals 0. Okay. Those of you who get shocked easily, hold on to your desk a little bit because something's going to happen. Don't want you to fall off. We're doing a really big T. Oh my goodness, that is a really big T. Whoa, is that a big T? All right, negative 2 equals 0. I'm going to write x plus 2 equals 0. I'm going to write x minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to do this one, x cannot equal, or x is negative 2, I'm sorry. X is positive 2. All right. There certainly might be some Eastridge kids that watch these videos because they might, you know, have Mr. Towelspool as a teacher, and so they'd have no idea how to. And they see negative 2 equals 0, and they go, learn something new. No, you didn't learn something new. Sometimes math makes no sense. And now a bunch are going, yep, I know that. If you have no variables, and your equation does not make sense, you cross it out, and I wish I had looked ahead how to, the word is extraneous. An extraneous solution. I believe that's the word. It means it's an extra solution that...
Mud Club, please report to the main gym. Mud Club.
Mud Club. Extraneous means an answer that works out mathematically, that when you get to your final answer does not work in this situation. Negative 2 does not equal 0. It's an extraneous answer. You cross it out. And one more. Those of you watching at home, the sadness on their face, knowing this is the last example, is there's a lot of sadness on the face. And by the way, I'm lying. There's joy. There's apathy. There's apathy and education. Some of you are being educated, and some of you are apathetic, thinking, oh my goodness, it's only Wednesday. But we don't have this class tomorrow. So I don't know. And you also might be thinking, maybe you're thinking, will there ever be a boy born that can swim as fast as a shark? You might have been thinking that too. Was anyone happen to have been thinking that? Just two of you were. Okay, yeah. Last one. 6. I'll make that 13. Hey, it says equal 0. It says equal 0. That's good. We always try to pull something out front, distributive property. And in fact, there's an x in every single term. So we're going to pull an x out. And this leaves 6x squared minus 13x minus 5 equals 0. This x will have to continue along in the problem. And I'm going to go to the side just so I do one of the hard ones. I don't want to skip it. Multiplies to be negative 30, adds to be negative 13. I'm going to do one of the hard ones. I'm not going to skip through it. I'm thinking it might be negative 1 and 30. That does multiply, but it doesn't add. I'm going to try negative 2 and 15. Multiplies negative, it adds to positive 13. When it adds to just the opposite one, you just change it to plus and negative. Plus and negative. And here goes the process. I'm going to do the process on the side. 6x squared plus 2x minus 15x minus 5. Group of 2, 2x leaves a 3x plus 1. When that's a negative, pull a negative out front. 5 goes into both. Leaves a 3x, negative by negatives plus 1. And we get 2x minus 5, 3x plus 1. So that's that process. We've been working on it. You're all good at it if you've been working on it with me. And we get, this makes a 2x minus 5 and a 3x plus 1. Oh, if you are super apathetic, if you are like super apathetic, that means you don't care. If you're super don't care, this one's for you. If this is a 0, what's that? I don't care. What's that? I don't care. You get a not care twice. You get a double not care. Hey, what if that's a 0? What's that happen? I don't care. Oh, this is good. We do the zero product property, which in this case is the super big T. I just write x equals 0. Oh, wow. That was easy. 2x minus 5. I've climbed the tallest mountain in the lower 48. It's not that one. And at the top of it, there's a little thing where you can sign your name. If you don't believe me, you can go to the University of California, Berkeley, and they keep them there. And somebody put a Staples Easy button, so at the top of the highest mountain lower 48, you can, that was easy. Awesome, awesome. We say goodbye to the kids at home. All right.